Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're taking a look at what might just be the best rechargeable 300 lumen headlamp available today, the Black Diamond Astro 300R. Whether you're hiking, running, camping, or working in low-light conditions, this compact, powerful headlamp might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into everything it offers, from its design to its unique features, and help you decide if it deserves a place in your gear. At first glance, the Astro 300R impresses with its sleek, minimal design. It comes in a cool graphite color and is made from durable polycarbonate materials for both the body and the lens. The strap is a mix of polyester, nylon, and rubber, providing comfort and a secure fit for long usage. It's built to withstand the elements, thanks to its IPX4 rainproof rating, making it a dependable companion in wet weather. One of the standout features of the Astro 300R is its integrated rechargeable 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. No need to keep buying disposable batteries. Simply plug in via micro USB and you're good to go. It's a smart move not only for convenience but also for sustainability. The charging port is secure, and recharging is quick enough for on-the-go outdoor users. Let's talk brightness. This headlamp offers a solid 300 lumens at max output, more than enough for most outdoor activities in the dark. Whether you're navigating a trail or setting up camp, it gives you plenty of visibility. There are multiple lighting modes too: full strength for maximum brightness, dimming for preserving battery and eye comfort, and a strobe mode for emergencies or signaling. It's also equipped with brightness memory, so when you turn it off and on again, it remembers your last used setting. A neat addition is the patented digital lockout. This prevents the headlamp from accidentally turning on in your backpack or pocket, draining battery when you need it most. It's a thoughtful feature that shows the brand's understanding of real-world usage scenarios. Whether you're going on a weekend hike, taking a night run, working in dimly lit spaces, or even just dealing with a power outage at home, this headlamp fits the bill. It's light, comfortable, easy to recharge, and powerful. Travelers, adventurers, and even DIYers will find this a reliable tool. To wrap it up, the Black Diamond Astro 300R is a simple yet highly functional rechargeable headlamp that delivers performance, durability, and user-friendly features at a great price point. If you're looking for the best 300 lumen rechargeable headlamp, this is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next product critique. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.